Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine at your home. I am Mrs. Manpreet Kaur, your SST teacher from California Public School. Yes dear students, today's date is 25th July 2020. As you know that we are doing our 12th chapter, 5th class, India and her neighbors. And in the previous video we have to discuss about the three neighboring countries. First one is the China, Nepal and Bhutan. These three countries we have to discuss the yesterday's video. And today's video we have to discuss about the next neighboring countries. First one is Myanmar. Myanmar is near about to the Bangladesh. The mountains in the Myanmar are in the extension of the Himalayas. कहते Himalaya range के जो mountains है that are also come in the Myanmar country. The Rakhine, Bago, Tresan hills are some mountain ranges. These are the mountain ranges and they have to run into the north-south direction. Hakau Babarazi is the highest peak. Shan Plateau lies in the east side of the Myanmar. Bay of Bengal and Andaman Sea lie in the west and southwest. Aravadi and Strenna Salween flow. These are the Aravadi, Strang, Salween. These are the rivers that flow through the country. And main occupation people do in the Myanmar: farming, cattle rearing, fishing, gathering teak wood from the forest. These are the main occupations. Rice mainly cultivated. Yangon and Mandalay are the big cities. So that is the Myanmar. So next is the Bangladesh. Bangladesh has a vast fertile plain. A major part of it lies in the Ganga Brahmaputra delta. कहते बांग्लादेश काफी फर्टाइल प्लेन है, जो उसका मेन पार्ट है वो गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र डेल्टा में आ जाता है. एंड नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न एंड साउथ ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री आर हिली. कहते नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न और साउथ ईस्टर्न दैट कम्स टू द हिली एरिया. And the hills in the southeast near the border with the Myanmar are called the Chitong Hill Tracts. Keokardong, highest peak that lies in this range to the south lies it's a Bay of Bengal and Cows Bazar beach along with the Bay of Bengal. It's an important beach popular for the tourism. Jamuna, Padma and Meghna flows through the country. These are the rivers that flow through the country. Farming, cattle, rearing, fishing. These are the main occupations. And which crops they have to be grow? Rice and jute. These crops grown in the Bangladesh. And major industries are also there, just like textile industries, garment manufacturing, jute producing. These are the major industries that we have to find in the Bangladesh. Dhaka, Chattogram, Kullan, these are the big cities, and Chattogram has the seaport also. So next is the Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is also an island because it is totally surrounded by the water body. The country has one main island and many smaller islands. South central part is the hilly. कहते south central part it's का क्या है? Hilly area. The hills are surrounded by the coastal plains. जो hills हैं वो चारों तरफ से उसके coastal plains है. Pidurutagla, that is the highest peak we have to find in the Sri Lanka. The rivers originate from the central hilly regions. They are the swift flowing and drained into the sea. कहते swift flowing है, बहुत तेज चलती हैं और sea में fall करती हैं. Mahavali Ganga is the longest river. It's a name of a river. That is the longest river of the Sri Lanka. Main occupation farming and fishing. Which crops mainly they have to be cultivated? Rice, tea, rubber, coconut, cocoa, spices. These are the main crops that are cultivated in the Sri Lanka. Except rice, all the other crops are grown in plantation. कहते सिर्फ राइस है, बाकी सारी प्लांटेशन के तौर पर they have to be grow. Therefore these crops are called the plantation crops. कहते इन क्रॉप्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? प्लांटेशन क्रॉप्स. मेन सिटीज कौन से हैं? कोलंबो, कैंडी, अनुराधापुरा एंड ट्रिनकॉमले. These are the big cities that we have to find in the Sri Lanka. So next and the last neighboring country of India is the Maldives. So Maldives is an archipelago, group of islands. Group of islands को हम क्या कहते हैं? Archaeology. It has nearly 1200 small coral islands. कहते हैं 1200 छोटे छोटे islands हैं. Coral that are made from the sea animals के dead plants से वो बने हुए. They are surrounded by the sandy beaches and lagoons. कहते सैंड बीच हैं और लेगून्स हैं, जो लेक्स हैं जो सी से सैंड के थ्रू सेपरेट हुई हैं. It is the lowest country in the world with the height of only 2 meters above the mean sea level. कहते सी लेवल से ये सिर्फ 2 मीटर ऊपर है इसका अपर लेवल. Gan is the largest island in this archipelago. Fishing and farming main occupation. Coconut main crop है. Tourism है यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा क्योंकि islands हैं. People come to spend their holidays. So, Male, Abu city. These are the important cities that we have to find in the Maldives. So, these are the neighboring countries of the India. So, hope all of you have listened it carefully and after that read from your book, then do the assignment related to this video. So take care. Bye bye.